Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to make a beautiful sketch of a hijabi girl. First, we will use a pencil to draw her scarf. While drawing the scarf, always keep in mind that the layers should look natural and smooth. We will add slightly curved lines to give the impression of folds, because these folds are what make a scarf look realistic and elegant. Take your time here. Don't rush, because a neat scarf outline makes the whole sketch more graceful. Next, we will move to the shoulders, carefully connecting them with the scarf. Shoulders should be slightly slanted, so the scarf looks like it is resting on them naturally. After the shoulders, now it's time to draw her abaya. The girl has placed her hands inside the pockets of the abaya, so we need to create our drawing in that style. For the pockets, just sketch light rectangular shapes and then connect the arms in a way that shows they are tucked in. This small detail gives a very casual and stylish look to the whole drawing. Now that our basic sketch is ready, let's outline it. Outlining is very important because it makes the sketch stand out. We will use a black marker to carefully go over the pencil lines. Try to keep your hand steady, especially around the scarf folds and pocket areas, so the outline looks sharp and professional. The outline will also make coloring easier later on. Once the outline is done, we will move to coloring. Let's color the scarf green to give it a fresh and lively feel. Tell me in the comments, what should I draw next? I would love to hear your suggestions and make new sketches based on your ideas. After that, we will color the abaya pink. This combination of green and pink gives a very elegant and vibrant look, and it makes the hijabi sketch even more eye-catching. Now let's take a look at the final result. Our hijabi girl sketch is complete. The scarf folds, the abaya design, and the colors all come together to create a simple yet beautiful drawing. Friends, if you enjoyed today's drawing, don't forget to like the video. And if you liked it even more, please subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to bring more creative ideas for you. We'll meet again in the next video with fresh and exciting drawing tutorials. Until then, take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.